These 5 container mistakes are killing your harvest and wasting your money. I made every single one of these mistakes and lost lots of money in failed plants. But once I fixed them, our small urban containers started feeding the whole family. Stay until the end because mistake number 5 will shock you. Mistake number 1, poor drainage. This container has been sitting in water for days. See these black mushy roots? That's root rot, and it kills more container plants than any pest. The fix is simple. Drill holes every 2 inches across the bottom. Then add this drainage layer, broken pottery, stones, or bottle caps. This prevents soil from clogging the holes. Mistake 2, using garden soil in containers. This soil becomes concrete when it dries and turns into mud when wet. Your plants can't breathe. Use potting mix as your base, add 30% compost for nutrition, and 20% perlite for drainage. This mix stays fluffy and drains perfectly. Mistake 3, containers that are too small. This tomato is root-bound in a 6-inch pot. It's starving and will never produce fruit. Tomatoes need minimum 20 gallons. Peppers need 10 gallons. Leafy greens need 5 gallons. Give plants room and they'll reward you with massive harvests. Mistake 4, watering incorrectly. Most people water little and often, which creates shallow roots. Instead, water deeply when the top 2 inches are dry. But here's the game changer, mulching. This straw layer keeps soil moist 3 times longer and cuts your watering in half. Mistake 5, cramming too many plants together. These lettuce plants are competing for nutrients and light. Result, tiny bitter leaves. Same container, 4 plants with proper spacing. Look at the size difference. Each plant has room to develop full-size leaves and strong roots. Fix these 5 mistakes and watch your containers transform. Our small urban setup now produces enough vegetables to feed our family of 5, saving lots of monthly on groceries. If this helped you, subscribe for weekly container gardening solutions. Next week, I'm showing you how to build living soil that feeds plants naturally for months without fertilizer. Comment below with your biggest container challenge. I read every comment and create videos based on your questions.